More on retail, we go now to Howard Davidowitz, who says that the pickup we are seeing in the luxury retail area is likely to be short-lived. Howard's been in the industry for more than 35 years and is chairman of Davidowitz Associates, a firm which provides consulting and investment banking services to the retail industry. Howard, it's always good to have you on. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks for the invitation.
Can I get your reaction first to that Saks news that I just reported? What do you think?
And not surprising, we have actually over the last 3 years gotten 2 or 3 calls on Saks.
Really?
Oh, yeah, from private investors, equity groups. What do you think? The price of the shares was so depressed, that's what they look for. And, of course, they're looking for a turnaround situation. What do I think? I think you got 2 big shareholders there who are going to be very difficult to deal with. Maybe there's value, maybe there isn't.
Yeah.
You know, it's a shot in the dark. Who knows? This company is a little crippled. They're not building any more regular stores. They've done a lot of good things.
Yeah.
They've closed bad stores. They've cut costs. They're managing their inventory much better. They're taking fewer markdowns, and they're managing their earnings. So those are on the plus side.
Right now, in this environment, with consumers a little skeptical about whether or not they're going to keep their jobs, more of them saving a little bit more because they're just a little bit concerned about where the economy is headed, do we see consumers now, in effect, doubling down and going to other discount retailers?
Discounting is the only growth segment. Discounting and online are the 2 growth segments in retailing. The consumer is totally wrecked. And that's why there's no way this economy is coming back, because the consumer is 70% of the United States economy.
So the discounters continuing to gobble up market share at this point?
That's who's gobbling up market share, building thousands of new stores. By the way, in the Saks deal I didn't finish, they got a lot of real estate. Just that Fifth Avenue store might be worth in a range of $500 million. And that's what a private equity guy might look at.
And we also,
there's hidden value in Saks.
And we also saw today Dollar General seeing that their second quarter profit on the rise as well. Is that part and parcel of what you're saying?
Exactly. You take Dollar General, and that's a Culver Kravis deal, doing phenomenal, growing. They're going to build 600 new stores. Dollar General, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Aldi, the TJ Maxx, Ross stores. The consumer is out of money. They're wrecked. They have no jobs. We've got 18.5% unemployment and underemployment. The consumer's debt is 120% of disposable income. The home is the consumer's. I mean, the consumer's wrecked.
And Howard, even after the last 2 years, even after retailers got really hit hard, these discounters, are they leading the way back up because consumers just don't have enough money to go elsewhere?
Consumers have no money to go elsewhere. And if you look at the biggest discounter, 11% of United States sales, Walmart, they are in the sewer because they remodeled and upgraded their stores and got a little too fancy for the consumer.
Okay, well, let's talk luxury then, because we see Tiffany and we see Hermes. They're doing well. So where's the disconnect?
There's no growth. In other words, if you take Hermes, my wife is famous over there, so let's just take Hermes. They sell scarcity. You don't see Hermes. You don't see Hermes, by the way, in the department stores. They don't put their goods in there. And their growth is in emerging markets, Asia. That's where the growth of luxury is. In China, places like China, that's where luxury is exploding. Will we have luxury business? Well, if you look at Madison Avenue, it's a train wreck. It's a desert. Look at all those empties. But is Goldman Sachs paying out those bonuses now? Yes. Is Morgan Stanley, is JP Morgan? Yes. Do we have a luxury business? Yes, but it's smaller.
Howard, in our last 30 seconds, as far as the American consumer is concerned, is this the bottom or is the worst yet to come?
By far, the worst is yet to come. The administration is dysfunctional, incompetent, and on the lunatic fringe. Everything they're doing is wrong. It's all going to be worse.
Didn't expect you to hold your tongue, Howard Davidowitz. It's always good to have you on. Thanks so much.
Thanks
good
for
to
the
see
invitation.
You. Appreciate it.